of marching men in squadrons they passed me by. No fighted hum nor battle drum did sound its dread tattoo, but the angels fell, or the living swell rang out through the foggy dew. Right proudly high over Dublin town, they hung up the flag of war. 'Twas better to die neath an Irish sky than a Sula or Sundell. And from the plains of royalty, strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's sons with their long-range guns settled into the foggy dew. 'Twas England made our wellies go, that small nations might be free, but their lonely graves are by Sula's waste, the fringe of the great North Sea. Oh, had they died at Pierce's side, or fought with Jethro, their names we would hear where the Fenians lay in the shroud of the foggy dew. But the bravest fell, and the solemn bell rang mournfully and clear, for those who would die at Easter time in the springtime of the year. While the world did gaze with deep amaze at stout-hearted men but few, who aboard the fight that freedom's light might shine through the foggy dew. Back to the land I rode again, my heart with grief was sore, for I parted with those valiant men I never would see no more. And to and fro in my dreams, oh Lord, I'll kneel and I'll pray for you, for slavery fled, oh glorious dead, when we fell beneath the foggy dew.
Ever listened to Dubliners before?